Let's speak about what Sweat is doing in terms of child prostitution. What's your involvement in those cases?
Well, basically, Sweat deals with the rights of adult consenting sex workers. So that excludes children and persons who have been forced or coerced into doing sex work. In the case of children, as my colleague pointed out, we do go out into outreaches. So during our outreaches, if we do come across a child, we immediately inform the authorities, that would be the police, and more specifically, the Hawks Anti-Trafficking Unit. We have a very good relations with them. But we also work with Annex, which is Activists Networking Against the Exploitation of Children. So we don't leave that child in that environment. The sex workers, they are mothers, they're grandmothers. They don't want to see children being sexually exploited in the industry. We don't even see those children as sex workers. We call them sexually exploited children in the industry. So we bring in the necessary parties in order to have the child removed from that situation. In the case of trafficked persons, we work again with the Hawks Anti-Trafficking Unit, and we've got other NGOs in other provinces as well which help us in terms of cases which are outside of the Western Cape. So these are things that we take on quite seriously. And it's quite unfortunate that sometimes it's seen as synonymous with sex work, because we don't want children being sexually exploited in the industry. We don't want anyone who's being forced into the industry to stay in those kind of conditions.
And what about children who are not forced into the industry?
Well, that's the thing. Regardless, as long as you're a child, we remove you from the situation. So in the instance when I was talking about people who are forced, those would be the adults who are forced into the industry.
If we meet children on our outreaches, we do have forms that we report. We report and we go to the police stations, or we work with the police and ask, or we report. And then our reports, the management do something about our reports. And when we are doing debriefing, then we mention these incidents that we find on the road. We mention the areas, we mention the incidents, and we also mention that we did have interaction with the police about it.
And also we have a 24/7 helpline, which is 0800 60 60 60. So sometimes we get calls from sex workers saying, listen, I suspect that the girl working my street is actually a child. So, and then we find that some sex workers are scared to approach the police with these kind of cases, because the police officer is going to ask, and how do you know this? Oh, you're a sex worker. Let me look you up first. So they would actually rather come to us. So we do urge people, whether you're a sex worker or not, if you suspect that the child that keeps walking up and down your street is a sex worker, or at least not even a sex worker, being sexually exploited in the industry, please call the helpline and we'll deal with it immediately.